¿Qué hola, raza? I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. Welcome back to the channel. This is part 1 of backhalfing Omar's RX-7. I want to give a huge shout out to our homie Bill. He let us use this plasma cutter, which made the project 1,000 times easier. As you guys know, the first step to building a PROMOD is cutting all the floors out your whip. Unfortunately, we had to cut most of the floors out of this thing with a grinder a few months ago. Thankfully, we had the plasma cutter because it made this part so much easier. There's some thick-ass metals on this part of the chassis. So the first step was to cut out this big old chunky cross member because that's where the new one's going to go. Omar bought a really nice kit from S&W Race Cars. It's a tubular back half kit, 1/2-inch 4-link holes for extra adjustment. It's sweet, man. So here's some footage of the rest of the stuff that we had to cut out before welding in the 1/4-inch plates. My plate I'm gonna run from right here from the end of the tape measure basically to where the seat mount is, just a little bit before, from here to here, and that gives us right about 17 inches. So I have this 4-foot piece. It's a 6-inch by 4 feet long, 1/4-inch thick. So this is what I'll cut that out of. And then this is 6 inches. This is only about 5 1/4, so we'll have to cut some.
They called me on my shit. They keep shit about it, so let's fucking do it.
$55 flip.
Tails.
Oh! Damn. That's a lot for us down here in the sticks, guys. $55 a pop.
That's like a gas tank.
And I didn't want to do it. They wanted to do it. This is what happened.
So for those of you that don't know what's going on, this game it's a coin flip. In Spanish, it's called la dispareja. So 3 people flip a coin, and the odd coin wins. So if 2 guys flip heads, tails wins. And if everybody flips the same, you just flip again. Or if 2 guys flip tails, whoever flips heads wins the whole pop.
My mom called me, dude. I gotta go home.
All right, guys, so here's the piece that I just cut out. So now we're just gonna mark it on that side, that where I know where to cut them, and they'll be the exact height as that side frame rail. Is that a frame rail?
I think it's just a car.
We'll just call it the frame rail for now. But yeah, once I get that cut, then I'll put this back and I'll make some plates to fill this area in. had to cut probably about 1.5 inches off of these because we scooted them up just slightly. That way they'd be easier to weld. You know, that way I can have an area that's clean. After I cut them, well, before I cut them to size, I clamped it in like this, and with a marker, you can see here, I went along and marked everywhere that there's gonna be a cap, basically. That way I can grind everything around there so we can make it clean.
Crazy, I haven't gotten anybody. Damn, dude. Whenever you want to hydrate. Oh, you're zoomed in.
Yeah, we zoomed in.
My hands ain't that fucking long, dude. Make sure to drink a nice hard seltzer.
The boys, man, getting refreshed. While our fabricator,
She's
over
already
there,
faded, dude.
drinks. Yeah. Good old man beer.
Something about price. I want to forget it.
Well, I
I
know,
don't want to
but,
think
but
about.
the thing is, if he forgets and he's
It's
not
like when
he
your
might
girl
not do
cheats
as
on
good
you
as
and you
work.
fucking give her a second chance. Like I don't want to talk about the situation again. That's how bad this shit is.
That's facts.
Like, I ain't never been in that situation.
I don't know why you would give her a second chance, but whatever.
I'm assuming this is what it's like, bro. This actually, I feel like this sucks a little more.
Might be it.
This sucks a little bit more.
I actually care about this
getting
car.
here.
I care about the fabricator. I'm like, fuck, dude.
Fabricate.
This man's got a mullet, drinking a Coors Banquet, yellow bellied in.
Yeah, it's still below.
Where's the cooler, man, in all this fucking... Oh, buddy. You got everything.
We might not organize
I don't know what
shit
the fuck
here,
that is.
but beer's like fucking good, dude.
Yellow bellies. The truly movies. The dose. Damn. That's the one, baby.
Damn, dude.
I mean, this gap's a little...
It's alright, dude. Nothing
It's a
wrong
little
with
bit
the,
fun.
nothing wrong with the wide gap, you know?
All right, fellas, so this is what those boxes look like. fully welded. As you can see, I welded it all the way across. It's boxed in at the top, and it's also boxed in at the bottom. And on this back side, as you can see, that at the moment that I'm filming this, we have a lot more progress made on this car. Right now the shop's a mess, but you can take a look at what we have going. I'm gonna be posting videos on all of this stuff. I'm barely getting around to editing all of this stuff, so bear with me. But I got a ton more updates coming up on the truck, as well as more videos on this car. The truck's already got a K member that you guys will be seeing a video on soon, so stay tuned for all that. If you like what I'm doing here, you guys, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notifications, that way you know every time I post. I'm going to be trying to attempt to post at least on a weekly basis from here on out. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you follow us on all our social media outlets. Thank you all for watching. Se la lavan.